So hi, I'm Siân and this is my daughter Ania, and she goes to Addysg Gymraeg, a Welsh school up the road. I went to a Welsh language primary school and a secondary school that taught Welsh and English as you know, all the way through secondary school. So it was already really important to me. Both me and my husband, we are from Wales. We speak Welsh in the house. We've moved to a really Welsh area, and yeah, when we had our first child, eldest child, it was a really important decision for us for him to go to the Welsh language school. Yeah, so we were already familiar with Welsh language education, and then when we moved to this area, it was just a case of researching what Welsh language schools were in the local area that would be available for our children to go to. So with Ania, I think the key was not have her going to a different school to her brother, which was and is still an option. So there were a lot of mixed emotions around would the school be able to communicate with her effectively? How would she handle learning both English and Welsh with supported BSL, and would the school be able to accommodate that? But we just decided to just give it a go really, and I think planning with the school was really important, and the school have actually been really incredible in supporting, and they've built in BSL as part of her communication package and worked with all the professionals that she has to support her, and she speaks English, Welsh and BSL. I was looking forward to her obviously developing the language, but an understanding of the culture that we live in, and just to be with her friends as well. She went to a Welsh nursery before she started preschool, and they've all moved up together, so she's got a really good friendship group, and not to be isolated in a Welsh community as a deaf learner. Yeah, so really good experiences where the school have really promoted and included her by using BSL, working really with her teacher of the deaf. So for example, sending the topics of the week, the teacher of the deaf sends the signs to support that, and then they've used that all of that sign language across the whole classroom for the week, and just supporting her with her friendship groups and encouraging her to be a trilingual speaker, I suppose. Yeah, so she really enjoys being in school with her friends. She loves reading and she loves playing, and she has a key worker in the class, Miss Thomas, who she's really friendly with. The support has been the key to her success so far in a mainstream Welsh speaking school. So she has a support worker in the class that supports her specifically. She also has support outside of the school, like the teacher of the deaf and communication workers that go in, but I think it's just the way they all work together has made it the most successful placement for her. Yeah, massively. She's more confident, she's got a really good friendship group, and all of the things that we would expect to have developed are developing. So since she's had the implants, it's just been the focus on developing her speech and her language and her understanding, but obviously in Welsh and English and BSL, and that seems to be working really well so far. My hopes for Ania in Welsh education are that she can continue to develop an understanding and speech around Welsh particularly, and to be included as a deaf learner in a Welsh speaking community. Yes, I think I would. I think I'm very open-minded and try not to worry about things unless there's something to worry about. And if Welsh language is really important to you, if your child is deaf, I wouldn't be put off by, a trilingual approach to speech and language. I think, you know, you can only try these things, and it's working, and it's been successful for Ania so far as well. So yeah, I would definitely encourage people to give it a go.